Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ke Sarkar Jela Conrad kongkal sangma ulaong. Hagabay day bat kajing tungkam ni ki Briew ki bahapo ke Tnad Textile house nem arajar khatsan 4 labot tik bat yakani don kamban penbet. Namar yo kin don ki Briew ki bala Trei di ki bon snem ki ban lech ka ying kasari ban dawa baga Sarkar kampat la ban Pynskhem ki baru Conrad ulaong ban Pynskhem kinsan yaki Rukom day ka benta ka baga Sarkar Jela ka Ïaid Henry hab hi ban Ïaid lingba ke Rukom hakaban Ïaid ki Briew lingba ki Rukom jong ke examen bat ke interview baru loong ba yakani la de ban le na du snem arajar khatsan Henry klemla ban le bat de ni ke daw ba karta jong ki Briew kala nang Ïaid ka ba penlong ki ban kut no karta thepkam bat ka ba penlong pat ka daw ba ya ke Sarkar menta Henry hapat ban bot bat ban Ïaid Katkum ki kindon bat ke Rukom Trei buat lada nak kalian ke Sarkar kala bishar bat pej benya Henry ka longpat ka ba ban Pynskhem ni ki nong Trei ki bala Trei la benrap u Conrad.
The second decision that was made today in the cabinet was regarding the condonation of age for overaged candidates under the Department of Textiles. As you are aware that since 2015 there has not been any appointments or any kind of examination being held in the textile department, and there was in fact many people who were supported in terms of a stipend by the government of Meghalaya, and after clearing those different programs, those particular candidates who cleared those particular courses, their appointments were due in the sense that they were asking for direct appointments to be made, which again required some detailed assessment to be made, and in the process from 2015 none of the individuals were appointed and no recruitment process also took place because of certain clarity that was required at that point in time, and hence this issue has been pending for a very long time, and because of that now we have finally come to a conclusion where we decided that we will be holding exams, and in this examination these different candidates can apply, and so therefore all the candidates who had gone to these institutes can now appear for the examination and the selection process that will be conducted, and based on the selection process appointments will be given. But while we took that decision, there were a large number out of the 196, there were about 115 who would not be able to appear for the exams because they would be over age. And hence, as a one-time measure, I repeat, as a one-time measure, only for this specific case, because of the special circumstances that is there, that the cabinet has decided and agreed to condone the age for the overage candidates for the Department of Textile to appear for the exam. So there is no guarantee that they will get the job, but the selection process will happen and they will be allowed to appear. And once that happens, then of course it will be based on merit.
Shisho Conrad sangma habya keren mat kilat pathai khubor hakakat khandai trik unok pra uloong pakakinhon menteri kalawan rakru ika ain ni ordinance ni benta ka school ba jong Captain William Sangma State University Amendment Bill barangkali yang Sarkar kala penyari ka Islam puli jong ni school ba balala ban penlong do penlong snam ya ka kum ka school ba ka pura kum makalong menta Henry na lord jong kini kidang don na pedeng ki kam kiba don kam ban phai khaman bala yoru banyak keren mat ulat ke Jela nang ta ka Tnad puli puthi ha ka ba yagani ka an la pendep kum shibenta ban penyeso bat penyedai Katkum ki kindon jong ke UGC Conrad ula ongru ba Rukom Trei jong ke Board of Governor Katkum ke jing terwa ke UGC ba yagani ka an ban penyedai bat kindon ru khendiat khensot ki jing penkela hang ni hang tai kat ba yagi jing penkela ki ba he pat ki kinthop ye ka Board of Governor bat ka Board of Management.
The ordinance that we brought in for the Captain Williamson Sangma State University Amendment Bill. As you are aware that we have expanded the scope of the Captain Williamson Sangma State Technical University and made it into a full-fledged state university now. But while we did the amendments to that, there were certain other concerns that were raised, and after discussion with the Honorable Governor and others and the Education Department, the amendment was being done to incorporate certain UGC norms that are there, and hence that amendment was cleared in terms of an ordinance today to put in the UGC norms which will be applicable in the Captain Williamson Sangma State University Act. So we have included those particular norms. There are many of them in detail, which I don't think I'll be able to go through. But just to give you a basic idea, for example, the Board of Governors, the structure of the Board of Governors as prescribed by the UGC. So that amendment will have to be incorporated. Then Board of Management, as per prescribed by the UGC norms, that will be incorporated in this. Then other small changes that are there, which are required as per the UGC rules and regulations. Those small changes, other changes will also be incorporated. But the major one is the Board of Governors and the Board of Management.